Good morning, 4th class. Now we will revise lesson 4, the sense organs. Sense organs which provide information to our brain through sight, smell, touch, sound and taste. It helps the brain to decide and act accordingly. Okay, for example, as you smell French fries, the brain signals the mouth to butter. As you hear the horn of a car, your brain signals your body to move. Sense organ first, eyes. Eyes open our vision in the world. They also express our feelings of joy, anger, sadness. Okay? Our eyes also help us judge size, color and distance. Care of eyes. Never sit before a TV or computer for long hours. Wear sunglasses or carry an umbrella while going out in the sun. Never read in dim light or in a moving vehicle. If you face problems like watery eyes, reading difficulties, immediately consult an eye specialist. A healthy diet takes care of our eyes very well. Next, a nose. Nose helps us to smell. It also helps us to taste. We often lose appetite when we have a cold. This is because a blocked nose cannot smell or help us taste the food. Nasal care. Use a soft cloth to clean your nose every day after a bath. Never blow your nose very hard. Inhaling steam under adult supervision provides instant relief from cold. Doctors also suggest nasal drops for a blocked nose. Foods rich in विटामिन सी बिल्ड इम्यूनिटी अगेंस्ट कॉमन कोल्ड. ठीक है, ये जो लाइन है रिच इन विटामिन सी है, ये आज के टाइम में भी ये बहुत ज़रूरी है इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, क्योंकि आज के तुम लोगों को पता होगा आज कैसा सिचुएशन है पूरी दुनिया में. तो हमें विटामिन सी जितने फूड होती है रिच इन विटामिन सी, तो उसे हमें लेना चाहिए हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, ये जो वायरस से बचने के लिए. नेक्स्ट है ईयर्स. They help us to hear. We can also judge the distance and direction of sound. ठीक है. Ear care. Always clean your ears with a soft cloth or a cotton bud after a bath every day. Do not prick your ears with pencils, hairpins or other sharp objects. Unless prescribed by a doctor, do not put anything like oil or drops in your ears. Next, tongue. Our tongue helps us to identify the various tastes and flavors of our food. It also helps the teeth to chew food properly by moving the food from one side to another. The tongue also helps us to gulp down our food and help us to speak clearly. Tongue care. We should use a tongue cleaner to clean our tongue every time we brush. We should not talk while eating as we may bite our tongue. We should not drink very hot drinks as they might burn our tongue and also cause loss of taste. Next is skin. The skin helps us to feel and differentiate between hot, cold, soft, hard, rough and smooth. Touch and emotion. Touch is directly related to the emotions we feel. We all come to know the feelings of our parents with their touch. Our mother gently rub our shoulders to express their love. They sometimes also slap us when they are angry. Skin care. We should bath regularly and even twice a day, hot humid weather with a medicated soap. जैसे आजकल जैसी तरह गर्मी हो रही है, आपको 2 बार नहाना चाहिए. और 2 बार कैसे नहाना चाहिए? मेडिकेटेड सोप, जो लाइबॉय साबुन हो गया, डेटॉल साबुन हो गया, नीम के साबुन हो गया, ये सब सोप को मेडिकेटेड सोप कहा जाता है. इसी से आपको नहाना चाहिए. वी मस्ट ऑयल आवर स्किन इन विंटर्स टू कीप इट मॉइस्ट. We should wear clothes according to the season to avoid rashes on skin. A healthy diet keeps our skin glowing. ठीक है. We should also have lots of water and lemonades. Sudden exposure to bright light can strain our eyes. The eyelashes and the tiny hair at the opening of nostrils prevent dust particles from entering the eyes and nose respectively. An ENT specialist can take care of diseases of ears, nose and throat. Plants also respond to touch. Sense organ, the organs that help us to understand our surroundings. Nasal drops used in case of blockage of nose. Rashes, irritation on the skin. Now we will do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We should wear according to seasons. We should wear clothes according to the two seasons. Our eyes help us to judge क्या क्या है, size, colors and distance. Very hot drinks might burn our tongue. We should bath with a dash soap, medicated soap. An eye specialist cure our eye problem. We should use dash to clean our ears, cotton buds. Food rich in dash helps build immunity against cold. Vitamin C. Exposure to dash and dash are harmful for our eyes. कंप्यूटर एंड यूवी रेज, जो मोबाइल से जो रेज आता है, यूवी रेज मतलब अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. द आई लैशेस प्रिवेंट्स डैश फ्रॉम एंटरिंग द आईज, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. An ENT specialist can take care of diseases of ear, nose and throat. The organs that help us to understand our surroundings are sense organs. Irritation on the skin is rashes. For our skin glowing, we should take dash healthy diet. A blocked nose cannot dash or help us taste to food, cannot smell. A dash diet takes care of our eyes. A healthy, जो बैलेंस डाइट हम बोलते हैं, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल, ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, ये आपका हो गया फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. मतलब एक एक ऑप्शन बिना ऑप्शन के दिया है. तो आपको लेसन 1 से लेकर 4 तक ऐसे पूरा करना है. ये आपको कॉपी में करना है, प्लस रिवाइज भी करनी है. ठीक है, तो 1 से 4 तक जितने मैंने दिया है वर्कशीट जिससे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बनाकर, वो आपको पूरा करना है और रिवाइज भी करना है. ठीक है, कल है ना आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जाम, तो पूरे चारों लेसन का एक साथ रिवाइज कर लेना अच्छे से, पूरे नंबर लाना है. ठीक है.